If 1 jar of coffee costs Y naira, derive a relation, that's the first part of the question. Derive a relationship between number of jars and cost. The second part, what will be the cost of 6 jars of coffee? Solution. Now, from this question, looking at the first statement, if 1 jar of coffee costs Y naira, the relationship between number of jars and cost is a direct variation. So now, in order to solve the first part of this question, we are going to represent some parameters with letters. So we can say, let the number of jars be n. If the number of jars is n, then let the cost be C. So if the cost is C and the number of jars is n, and the relationship is a direct variation. Now it means that C is directly proportional to what? To n. Now we need to remove this proportionality symbol and introduce the constant of proportionality. So it means that C will be equal to what? Kn. K is a constant of proportionality. So in this case, the next thing for us to do is to go back to the first statement. If 1 jar of coffee costs Y naira, meaning that when n equals to 1, from the question, when n is what? 1 jar, then C equals to what? Y naira. That is the meaning of this statement. If 1 jar of coffee costs Y naira. So it means when number of coffee, which is n, equals to 1, then the cost of 1 jar of coffee is equals to what? Is equals to Y naira. So in this case, let's substitute. Anywhere we see C, we put what? Y. Then we have K into what? Anywhere we see N, we put 1. Meaning that what? Y equals to what? K. K times 1, that is K. So it means that the value of K is equals to Y. Now we go back to the first equation to get a final relationship between C and N. Now C will be equals to what? Anywhere we see K, we replace it with what? With Y. So we have C equals to Yn. So C equals to Yn represent the relationship between number of jars N and the cost C. That is the solution to first part. Now let's look at the second part of the question. B. The second part of the question, what will be the cost of 6 jars of coffee? Now we are going to use the solution to the first part of the question to solve the second one. Now I want to know the cost of 6 jars of coffee. So that is when n equals to 6. When n equals to 6, what will be the cost of 6 jars of coffee? Now, anywhere we see n, we substitute what from here? We put in 6. Anywhere we see n, we put in 6. So we have this to be 6. Then C will be equal to what? Y times 6. That is 6y. So it means that we can write this as, we put naira. C equals to 6y naira. So it means that the cost of 6 jars of coffee is equals to 6y naira. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.